YouTube Shorts are so much powerful. They increase your views and your subscriber when do it in the right way. And if you want the maximum benefits from Shorts, then this video is for you. Hi guys, this is Divakar Singh and you're watching me on Divakar Singh Digital. So as you all guys know that YouTube is going crazy with YouTube Shorts because YouTube promotes Shorts at a very high frequency and you can benefit from that because in the coming year also you will get many benefits if you start creating Shorts now. So the very first thing you should know is the timing. I mean how much longer it should be for your Shorts. According to so many big YouTubers and my personal experience is that the Shorts length should be around 10 to 20 seconds. Most of the time it should be 15 seconds long and you have to throw whatever info or knowledge you want to give to your audience. You have to do it in that time because people will not get understand in one play and that is why they have to play 2 to 3 times and even more and bang, you got more plays. That will give a signal to YouTube that your short is a worthy of time. Then it will start pushing your content to the similar viewers, which means more view. Second thing, try to create your short with just subtitle if you are in tutorial or education niche because that will boost your audience interaction with your video. Third thing, try to upload your short at the same time every day, whether you upload a single short video or multiple video at times. And do check your analytics for perfect audience time. If you want to know how to create a short faceless channel, then you can watch this. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for the algorithm. And for more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.